Hi, kindergarten. Welcome to some asynchronous math. Now, you all have been learning a lot about breaking apart numbers and putting them into number bonds, and you've been doing an awesome job. So in today's lesson, I'm going to give you one quick example, and then I'm going to work through the first page of the problem set with you. But guess what? I think you can do the second page and the homework on your own. Let's see how it goes. So here's the story to start with. Once upon a time, I was so hungry, and I really wanted some fruit. So I decided to eat 5 strawberries and 4 blueberries. I lined them up for you right here so you can see them. I lined them up in the 5 group way, which means that I start with making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one row, and the rest go in the second row. You only can have 5 in a row if you're going to make it the 5 group way. So how would I put this into a number bond? Well, what would my whole be? My whole is how many I have all together. So if I have 5 strawberries and 4 blueberries, how many do I have all together? That's right, I have 9. Now I put my groups into part 1 and part 2. I know I have 5 strawberries and 4 blueberries, even though one of them's covered up with my number bond. Sorry. So I have 9 pieces of fruit all together, 5 strawberries and 4 blueberries. That is all of the information you need to know for today's problem set. And because we've been working on it for so many days, I think you're going to do a great job. So I want you to take out your book and open it up to page 115. You'll know you're on the right page because you'll see a group of bears at the top, and it'll look like just what you see on the screen. Here we go. First, put your name and date, which I forgot to do, but you can put your name and date on yours. Problem number 1. Izzy had a tea party with 7 bears and 2 dolls. There were 9 friends at the party. Fill in the number bond and the number sentence. Well, they already wrote the whole in our number bond. I can see that there are 9 altogether, so we need to fill out the parts. What are the 2 parts that you see? Well, we know that there are bears, and we know that there are dolls, so we just need to know how many of each. Let me read the first sentence again. Izzy had a tea party with 7 bears and 2 dolls. Well, we don't even have to count them out. She already told us we have 7 bears and 2 dolls. Those are our parts. And we know we can write that in a number sentence to show 9 equals 7 and 2. Good job. Let's do our next problem. Make sure you pause the video and write this down in your book too if you haven't already. Robin had 9 vegetables on her plate. She had 3 carrots and 6 peas. Draw the carrots and peas in the 5 group way. Fill in the number sentence. Well, first, let's put it in the 5 group way. Remember, that means we put 5 in a row and then continue on to the next row. So there are 6 peas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I moved on to the next row because I had more than 5. And 3 carrots. 1, 2, 3. So we already have our whole written here again. 9 equals, so we need to fill out how many peas are there and how many carrots are there. There are 3 carrots and there are 6 peas. Piece of cake. I'll read the next problem for you, but you're going to do it on your own. It says, Shane played with 5 toy zebras and 4 toy lions. He had 9 animal toys in all. Draw black and tan circles to show the zebras and lions in the 5 group way. Fill in the number sentence. I'm not going to write this one for you because you can do it on your own. I'll talk you through it and you can write it down. How many zebras were there? There were 5. How many lions were there? 4. How many animals did he have altogether? 9. We know that 5 and 4 makes 9. When you finished writing this down, you can go ahead and listen to this last problem. It says, Jimmy had 9 marbles. 8 were red, 1 was green. Draw the marbles in the 5 group way and fill in the number sentence and number bond. Well, we know they still have 9 altogether, but this time the groups are 8 and 1, so you can fill that out accordingly. If you have time, I really want you to go ahead and try to do this homework. It's going to be the exact same way. In order to do this homework, you will need a grown-up to help you read the problems if you can't read it on your own. All right. Well, we miss you so much today, kindergarten, but as per usual, you did a great job. Don't forget to upload this problem set onto Seesaw, because otherwise we don't know if you've done it, okay? So click on that exit ticket below. See you later, kindergarten.